Hi everyone, my name is Gina Osborne.
I'm Mohammed Jarrah.
And I'm Joshua Jeter.
Our technical advisor is Dr. Jose Macedo, and our project is streamlining the Embed management and tracking system for Webcor. Webcor Builders is a commercial construction contractor headquartered in San Francisco, California. Webcor is currently in the pre-construction phase of their 706 Mission Street project. This project development includes a 43-story tower and the rehabilitation and integration of the historic Aronson building, which will be the new home for the Mexican Museum. In past projects, schedule problems arise due to poor materials management, specifically with embeds. Embeds are pieces of steel that get cast into concrete in order to connect and weld other systems securely. There are three types of embeds: structural steel embeds, window curtain wall embeds, and miscellaneous embeds. Our problem statement is, Webcor construction projects commonly suffer schedule delays due to embed inventory, ordering, and delivery logistics inefficiencies. Having a new system by August would ensure that the project stays on schedule and makes the construction workers and project managers' jobs as easy and efficient as possible.
A lot of our research resulted from interviews with employees at Webcor, such as project managers, project engineers, the financial department, and primarily the superintendent of the 706 Mission Street project. We obtained information on the current embed management system. Some of the things that we found is that they use one supplier for each of the three types of embeds. In the embed ordering, Webcor sends the master schedule of the construction site to the embed suppliers at the beginning of their contract. The suppliers manufacture and deliver the embed orders by interpreting the concrete pour dates and the drawings that are in the master schedule. The quantity and grouping of the type of embed that the suppliers deliver are usually not known by the general contractor. Once the embeds arrive on site, Webcor takes note of things such as what embeds have arrived, quantity of the embeds that are still needed, and what dates the embeds are needed by. Once they are back in the office, they use Excel or Smartsheet to document these things. Webcor creates a new embed tracking sheet before the start of each of their projects. For the inventory of the embeds, many issues arise when embeds are stored for long periods of time, such as the steel embeds start to rust and when they need to be re-galvanized, which takes approximately 2 weeks. Different orders get intermixed and when they need to be resorted, or the embeds will be misused and get built into the incorrect construction areas. For our online research, we researched peer-reviewed articles that included supply chain models, materials tracking, and materials handling logistics methods. We found information on successful supply chain models and optimization models used in similar types of systems. We found real-time inventory databases that use MySQL and ASP.NET that could be used to track embeds. And finally, we looked at logistics parks planning and how there is a method of layout planning and with a controlling structure. Since there is an interactive relationship between logistics parks and traffic facilities like a construction site, a correlation analysis could be provided as a useful solution.
For the design portion of our project, we split it into three categories: scheduling, tracking, and logistics. The schedule is how order information is exchanged between Webcor and the suppliers. Optimizing the schedule will ensure workers will have the right amount of embeds needed on each implementation day. The schedule will be designed using operations research methods to create the optimum schedule to minimize scheduling delays. The embed tracking system is what helps the project managers and construction workers manage and track all the embeds on the site. The system will manage information such as when the embeds are planned to be on site, the day and time they are delivered on site, the location where the embeds are supposed to be, etc. We will design a standardized tracking system to be used for future Webcor projects. The logistics portion of the design will address the transportation and storage of the embeds. This will be designed using process improvement and facilities design methods to efficiently get embeds from the delivery truck to its final destination. The 706 Mission Street project will be used as a pilot for our design. The implementation cost is currently unknown. However, to exhibit how important it is to remain on schedule, we used Webcor's current 706 Mission Street project contract to display the fees associated with being late. If this project continues 60 days past the scheduled completion date, there will be a $5,000 fee for each day past the 60 days until the project is completed.
For our next steps, we plan on visiting a Webcor project site that is in its construction phase to thoroughly understand the current embed management system, its limitations, and its inefficiencies. We also plan on surveying Webcor in order to conduct a root cause analysis. Once we do both of these things, we can begin designing alternative systems to track, order, and store embeds.